Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And this is our Money Monday video where I save in my goals binder. If you've seen my videos in the past, I usually start this video with putting money into my 100 envelope challenge. But I decided not to do that in this video today. I'm going to move it into my new addition to my channel, which will be my Wednesday video, which will be my What Are We Saving Wednesday. And I'm going to hopefully get that started this week. So today we're not able to put quite as much into this as we did last month. We were doing about $100 a week, I feel like, last month. And this is where we're going to kind of get back to normal again, and we're going to start doing $50 a week in here. Might vary week to week, but for this week we're doing $50. I did get large bills. Well, I got 20s, and we're going to go ahead and make change first before we get started. Ooh, got lucky and I turned right to the right one. This one actually will save quite a bit, and it's got a lot of smaller bills in here. So we'll go ahead and keep the 10, and then we're going to do 40. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. Wait a minute, that's only 20. And let's do another 10, because we do have some larger amounts in there. So, let's see if my math is correct. We have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, $40. Okay. A little thinner there, that's good. That one was getting pretty thick. Okay, now let's jump back up to the front here. Get our money set aside. All right, let's get started and save some money here this week. I'm excited. I'm excited every week to save some money, but we're going to go ahead and get started with the crab walk to savings. I think we did red last week, so we're going to set that to the side and do white this week. Let me grab my marker. Where did we leave off? Looks like we left off at 5 last week. So we got a 2, 1, 2. That's $1. Let's go ahead and go again. 3, 1, 2, 3, $8. Okay, since we don't have a ton of funds to go around and I want to be able to get through everything, let's put that back. Do I have another dollar? I do. So 8, 9, 10, and we'll grab a $10 bill. All right, so that puts our crab walk to savings. It was pretty quick, but that's how it goes sometimes. We've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, $76 in this one already. I'm excited for when we get these big games all finished. That'll be fun. Okay, so we're all set on that. Let's get this over. Pull out our little background one there. All right, so we started this game last week, and I think we'll do 2 of them. When we're all said and done, this game will save us $20. So we're going to do number 1. All right, that little flamingo will save us $2. And another 1. Hope this isn't like last week where I just kept repeating the same number over and over. And 3. So let's put that 2 back and grab a 5. I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and scratch these off the rest of the way. Okay, so we saved $5 today, which puts us, I can't talk apparently, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. I do apologize if you guys can hear my Roomba in the background. It's running right now. Okay, let's go ahead and we're going to get started on this one today because we finished this one out last week. So each of these little watermelons is going to be worth $5. since we don't have a ton to go around, I think I'm just going to do one today. So let's see. Let me go ahead and get this colored in and I'll be right back. All right, it's a bright watermelon. Okay, so we've got one, which will be a $5 bill. And we'll go ahead and keep that going. I'm not going to lie, it is fun when you can fill a bunch of them in because you've got a good chunk, but this is good too, just to keep it going. You know, you can't always have a ton every week, but every little bit adds up. Okay, so we also finished the coloring one last week, so I had another coloring one I'm going to work on. And, I was back and forth on whether I wanted to roll for this one or not, or if I just want to color a few in. But let's keep the fun of it and let's just roll. So we got a 4, of course, which is going to be this big one. Let's go with the lime green and let's make this mint chip. So we've got the 4. So we'll color that in real quick. Really picks up the ink on this one. And what the heck, let's do one more. And a 1. So for the outside, I think I'm going to do purples. So let's go with this lightest purple. Okay, so a 4 and a 1, which will be $5. And let me get these colored in real quick. And all right, so we've got our mint chip and we've got the first of our outside. So we got $5 we're putting in this one. Okay, this is my scratcher side because I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There's like little parts where the scratchers have gotten stuck on it. Okay, let's see how many of these ones we can do today. Let's go with a 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is my ants go marching one by one. Oof. And that is a 7. So this one has numbers 3 through 9. Little ants that are worth 5 and a picnic basket that's 10. We have gotten 1 ant, but that's it so far. And that is $7. So that is all we will be putting in today because we still have a few games left to play. So let me go ahead and get this one scratched off the rest of the way, and I'll be right back. Okay, that was it for this one today. We did save that $7. So let's see where we're at. When we're all said and done, this will save us $75. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we're about halfway-ish. Let's go ahead and put these 2 5s back and take the 10. So not doing too bad on that one. We still got some big ones left in there because we haven't found that picnic basket yet. Okay. And now we're moving on to our dice game where we will do both dice. The way I play this one, if you're new, is I'm going to do red along the side, white along the top. If I mix them up as we go, so be it. If it's one we have not crossed off yet, I'll save the corresponding amount. If it's one we have crossed off, I will pay $1. So let's see. Got $19 that we got left right now. All right, 4 by 4. We don't have this one yet. Grab my marker. 4 by 4. That one is $5. 1 by 3. Oh, and another $5. Nice. Making some progress. 4 by 2. Another one. Wow. Okay, and just like that, we are done. I expected us to get some repeats, so we'd have some dollar ones in there, but I want to be able to, we only have $3 left, which is not enough to do our highest one, so we are all set there. But let's look and see what we put in today. We're putting in $16 today, which puts us up to, I know we're just kind of putting some of them back in, but it's nice we can make change from this one each week. All right, so now we are at 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. $140 in this one now. If we had, what did I figure it was? $180 if we didn't have any repeats, but we do have repeats, so I'm hoping we'll get over 200 when we're all said and done, but it's a mystery one, so it's half the fun finding out where we'll end up. Okay, so we're all set on that one. Now this one, I will say this is a little bittersweet for me because we only have $3, which is exactly what we need to do one of these. But that means we won't have anything for our Save Every Dollar catch-all. And I do like to put something in there each time because I am saving that one up to, when I'm all said and done with it, I'm going to use the money to purchase some savings challenges from other people. I'm excited to be able to do that. Okay, but we do have some we can save, and that is the best news out of all of it. So $3. And I'm going to color in one of these palm trees and be right back, guys. And that is all she wrote for our savings today. Let's see where this one's at. We're at 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. Nice. All right, so this one is all set for today, and that's actually going to be our last one. Usually we end on the Save Every Dollar catch-all, but it just didn't work out that way today. But like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I hope you guys will come back and watch my new addition to my channel that will be starting on Wednesday, where I will be doing some other savings, not just the long-term savings like we're working on right now. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I greatly appreciate everyone's watching my videos, and any interactions is greatly appreciated. It helps keep me motivated. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye!